go, go, go. Flanking crossfire! Right, right, a shitload. Right side, 5, easy. Where's the enemy? Hey. Moving right. Watch left. That way. Oh, that way. They went right. Hard towards the mound. Jason, move up to Jordan. I got your back.
It's your step.
Contact right, yeah. Yeah, they're on the right. That's your foot.
Yeah.
Contact right where?
I know, but he was shooting at me. Here he is again.
Yeah. Watch my left, bro.
Got it. You see anybody?
Right. I'm trying to get an angle without trying to expose myself completely here. I saw him moving up there and out there.
Ryan, you know that debris in the back left where
Yeah.
we start when we start opposite side, that debris on the left?
Yeah.
There's 2 guys back there.
2 guys, okay. I'm gonna have to sit up too tall here.
Yeah.
Just assume the road is out.
How are you looking on that side? I'm good. On my side is completely clear.
Okay. Right sector of fire seems clear for now.
Oh, here, somebody's here.
Is there any tree left?
You know, there's a pile of stuff over there.
Where?
Never mind.
There's a ridge that goes up about halfway from their start to the building. I think they might be up that path.
Oh, by the rock crusher on the right side?
Yeah. Me and Chesbro hid there one time and then they never found us. Someone's shooting at
Yeah.
us. Trees are knocking them down.
Hey, Ryan, I'm going to move left a little bit.
Watch out, they're shooting at us from building, I think that is, yep.
Yeah, I see him.
Ryan, I'm going to move left a little bit.
Go, go.
Come on, we gotta move up, they're too far back. Where the hell are we shooting at? 12 o'clock, right here.
Right in front of me, right in front of me.
12 o'clock, straight back.
Hey!
I got one.
The front seat metal barrier, there's 2 tables on
Where is
the
he?
front seat we walk past.
Hey! Where is he?
Straight ahead.
Is it the tree?
Helmet. I think he put his hand up. I can't tell. Straight my 12. Yeah, he's putting his hand up.
You got
Got him. I don't know how many they have left because there's like 7 over there.
Robert, keep
Yeah.
your eyes open, I'm gonna move.
Got one moving up,
Roger that. Michelle's going with you.
trying to move around.
Up center!
Yeah,
he dead?
Oh, that guy's dead.
There's another guy over there.
Hi, guys.
He's standing up, so I can only assume he's dead. Because we got range.
Yeah, let's move together then. Help each other if we need. I got the left side. They look right. Watch that. Watch her fire. Get down as soon as you hear something. I'll watch the left side.
Move. You see him? The group straight ahead.
Okay.
Reloading.
Where is he?
I got 3 counts behind that rusty barrier.
I see him. I see him. I see him. I can try to rush it.
I don't know. They're embedded pretty good over there.
I'm gonna try to make it to the tree. Let's go.
You guys want to clear that side? Nice.